Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to make a tetherball court with Lego bricks for today's tutorial. Let's begin with a 6x6 round plate. Right here I'm going to place a 1x4 flat tile, and along this corner right here a 4x4 tile with bow. I'm going to make 4 of these. Then I'm going to place these together in such a way where they are like this. And then I want to lock all these together with a 2x2 round plate. We're going to place that right in the middle. May have to wiggle and jiggle. And while we're here, I'm going to place another 2x2 round plate and a 2x2 round flat tile with hole. Place that right there. And before I forget, a Technic friction pin with cross axle. Place that right inside there. Now I want to strengthen up these corners with 4 1x4 flat tiles. So your beige should look like that. Then I'm going to take a 2-stud long Technic pin connector. It has a little slot on the side. I'm going to take a friction pin, place it right here. I want to make 4 of these. I'm going to place these on top of one another. This is going to be the pole, and we're going to take another Technic pin connector, place that right there. I'm going to set this right here. Then we're going to finish it off with a Technic pin with stud. Place this right here, and this is the non-friction types. That's very critical. For the tether ball, take a round ball with cross hole on the bottom. I'm going to take a string with studs, looks like that. Place this on one end, and I'm going to place the other end right on top of the Technic pin with stud. Now, I don't like seeing the stud on top, so I'm just going to take a round 1x1 flat tile to finish up the tether ball. Let's make sure everything works. There we go.